I absolutely love selling giftable print on demand products. Think things like candles, mugs, journals, ornaments, etc. And I have made hundreds and thousands of sales by doing this. But there is one little nuance that can be a bit tricky at times, and that is mock-ups. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite new hack for creating beautiful professional mock-ups in just one click, even for the trickiest of products. Welcome to this week's Coffee and Shishings. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a multi-six-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller and busy mom of two who loves helping others start, grow, and scale their Etsy shops. And one of my favorite things to do for you is show you any of the latest tricks and tools that are helping me every day in my Etsy shop so that you can do the same for yours. Now, as you may know, my Etsy shop started like many others selling t-shirts and apparel, and there are so many mock-up options out there for t-shirts and sweatshirts. But when I shifted to selling candles and mugs and ornaments and things like that, I found that creating mock-ups was a little bit trickier because there weren't as many mock-up options. And number two, when you have a product that's rounded or you have a product that's maybe a fabric material, it can make it a little harder to create beautiful, realistic mock-ups. But I have recently been using a tool called Vela in my Etsy shop, and it has been a huge game changer for me to create custom and unique product mock-ups for my shop, no matter what the product is. So I want to show you how this works and how easy it is to create these beautiful high quality mock-ups. So Vela is very user friendly to use. When you log on, you will be able to sync your shop with Vela and it will have access to all of your listings here. Now, I'm going to show you how this works on two products that I always find to be a little bit more difficult to create mockups for. As I mentioned, the first one is the scented soy candles. Now, you might have access to a few different mockups. So I'm going to show you what the issue is that a lot of sellers run into when trying to create candle mockups. And that is, as I said, that the label and the candle are round. And that can make it challenging. Whereas here you can see if you just put your design there, it doesn't look like it's rounding with the candle itself. And that can also be a turn off for customers. So what we can do in Vela is something that is going to change the game for you. All right, so let's say you have your print mockups loaded here that have a plain background. Vela is going to give you the option to create a series of mockup photos. Now, you don't have to use all of them, but I am going to show you what these options are. And all you simply have to do is click on them and they will start generating. Okay, in just a few clicks, Vela was able to generate four different mockup photos for us. The first one is going to be a studio version mockup. That is simply as if you were taking an image, a professional photograph of that product in a studio. So it is typically going to be pretty minimalist, but also professional. The second one, which is honestly the one that I use the most, is called the staged mockup. And you can see here how Vela does an incredible job of maintaining the size, the accuracy, the design of the product itself, but staging it in a way that looks really beautiful and really clean. So this staged version is one that I have been using every single week in my Etsy shop, and I absolutely love it. The third option it gives you is a lifestyle mockup. So that is more commonly going to include potentially people more staged in a way that it looks like it's being used. If you don't want to use people in your mockups, AI generated humans, you can also give it that prompt as well so that it will remove those. And the fourth one that I really love that I have been using often is this close-up mockup. It's going to zoom in on a feature of the product. And I love this because I find that customers really like being able to see that product up close. So this does a great job of generating that for you in just one click. Now, what you can do if you decide to use these mockups is you can simply drag them up into your photos and whichever ones you want to use. If you want to take out any of your old mockups, you can go ahead and delete those as well here. And then you can go ahead and push your listing right on over to Etsy. You can actually make it live right here from this screen on Vela so that you're not having to go to Etsy to publish it from there as well. And I'm going to show you another example and another way that you can create some custom mockups. A product that I am absolutely loving right now are can coolers. And I ordered these from Pick the Gift through Printify. These can also be a very tricky product to create mockups for, and there's not a lot of great options out there. And so I have been using Vela often to create mockups for this product. Another option you can do too with the product photos from Printify is simply come up to the edit button, come over to AI edit and cleanup, and you can also give it a prompt of how you want this mockup to look. Okay, so I added a simple prompt in here. Obviously, if you need help with prompting, ChatGPT can be a huge help with that. But for this, we just wanted to add a simple cake table in the background with balloons that match the can cooler. We can continue to make tweaks to this or clean it up if we wanted to, but generally, you can simply take a Printify mockup and add the background that you want to it. The other thing you can do is take a mockup you already have, and let's say you wanted to change the balloon colors to match the can cooler. You could also do that as well, and it's super simple and super fast. And you do have the ability to crop your mockup. So let's say we wanted to bring this one in a little bit closer and really just highlight the can cooler. We could do that as well. And then that way we can center everything. And that is going to be what pushes over to Etsy. So again, there are a lot of different ways you can use this mockup tool on Vela. And truly, I have been using it every single week because there are sometimes just products where it is difficult to find the right mockup for it. And also, you don't want to go and have to pay for every single time you need a different mockup. Some of the products I've been using this for, as I said, are candles, can coolers, blankets, things like that, that sometimes are a little bit trickier to find the right product mockups for. As I've said before, my goal here is to always bring you the latest tips, tricks, tools that can help you in your Etsy shop in a really practical way. And this is one that has been absolutely so helpful for me over the last few months. And I'm just really excited to share it with you guys, especially for those that are selling these giftable print on demand products where you just don't have as many options to different product mockups. And if you're interested in trying Vela in your Etsy shop, you can click on the link below in the show notes and you will get a free trial to test it out and see if you like it and if it's a good fit for you. I am so excited to be sharing this with you because it has been so helpful and I can't wait to hear what you think about it. As always, my name is Emily and I look forward to seeing you next time.